Do you have grass patches that are deader than a doornail? Here are some pro tips for fixing dead or thin spots in your lawn. If you're dealing with large bare areas, it may be best to resod them. A local landscaper can help you with that, but if your thin or bare spots are small, it's easier. Here in Memphis and North Mississippi, warm season grasses can spread quickly, but they're hungry as a hound dog, so make sure your lawn has a full belly. A healthy portion of fertilizer can help fill in these troubled areas. And be sure to keep tackling those weeds, insects, and diseases as your grass fills in. A core aeration can also help improve your roots and stimulate more growth as you fertilize throughout the year. Remember, it's hotter than blue blazes here and your lawn needs plenty of water. Give it 1 to 2 inches of water each week. Turn that ugly duckling into a swan. Here's to a thick, healthy lawn you and your family will love.